Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Valeria, but let me tell you, girl, you can call me Val because it's easier. I just know it. So you can call me Val. I won't get mad, I promise. As you guys know, Valentine's Day is like just around the corner, like right there. I can see it. So we're gonna be doing like a cute little Valentine's Day inspired look. We're gonna do a little twisty twist to that because I want to. So we're gonna be doing some like cute little conversation hearts on our faces, and it's gonna be easy, and I've never tried this before, so let's just hope it turns out good, because if not, I'm gonna actually cry myself to sleep. Okay, so without further ado, let's just start. Okay, now their eyes are primed. My eyes are primed. I have a couple friends here. It happens. But yeah, we're gonna start. I'm gonna grab the color Gumdrop from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette with a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna put this all over my crease. Well, really not all over. I just want like a nice little base. And I don't want to take it all the way into the inner corner. I just want to like have it halfway, just like that. Now I'm gonna grab the color Bubblegum from the Jawbreaker palette as well with a Morphe M514. I don't know how I forget the name of these brushes when I use them all the time. Oh my god, I look like I'm naked. I am not naked, I promise. I look naked in every video. This is not okay. But yeah, and I'm gonna blend this color on top of the purple. Now I'm gonna grab the color Good Morning from the Jawbreaker palette as well with a Morphe M433, and I'm gonna blend that out on top. There's a really light shade, nothing crazy. Now I want to darken the purple a little bit more because I feel like it's not showing up how I want it to. So I'm gonna grab the color Miles High and Morgan from the Mitchell palette. A little bit, just like a little bit of Morgan because that's the darkest one, and I just need like a tiny bit of that. I don't really want to focus on the eye look because that's not like the main thing here. So I'm gonna grab the Morphe M166 with the color Virgin and Good Morning mixed together, and I'm just gonna pat that on this space right here, and I'm gonna like bring it up real high to open up my eye. It's just really soft looking and I like it. We're gonna jazz it up later on, but I'm gonna do my base and my brows off camera, and then we'll come back, finish up the eyes, and start with our little hearts. So now I'm gonna do the bottom. It's gonna be the same color, so I'm gonna speed that up real quick because we don't need to see that. For the inner corner, I actually want to do a little pop of color, so I'm gonna grab Cute from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I'm gonna use Batty B lashes in the style Batty. So let's do that. I really thought I was filming before, but I was not. I obviously put on my lashes, and I put these two little crystals on my inner corners, and I feel like they look so cute. I've been loving doing that, and it is essential now. But I'm gonna do like my contour, my blush, and all that like really fast, sped up, because I want to focus on the two little hearts, and I feel like I've taken already a lot of time on my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So let's do it. Now we're gonna do the hearts. I'm gonna do the outline of the hearts with a beige, like almost white eyeliner, and I want to place them like right here, and I want to see if I do a little effect like they're coming out of me, like they're a part of me. So let's see if I can achieve that. Okay, I'm gonna like warm this up in my hand and like try and get product in my hand. I'm gonna grab a little like detail brush, and I'm gonna grab this. Yeah, this is gonna be easier, I think. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this Inglot Door line to like this shit right here, so I can make it more like a cream and I can work with it easier. It's there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's light as hell. It is light, but that's what I wanted, because this is just an attempt to like get the shape right. So I'm gonna try and match it to the other side. Then when we add the color, I'm gonna like make it like prettier, you know? Oh my god, okay, that's not bad at all. Like at all. Oh my god, that was too much for me. Was too much for my heart, let me tell you. I'm gonna fill them in with a little bit of primer, and then I'm gonna like pack the shade that I want on top. Okay, I think that was pretty good. Okay, I'm actually gonna fill it in with yellow. I'm gonna use the color Wow from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, because I feel like it will look cute. I'm gonna like tap it in and fill it in. Okay, I feel like that's pretty cute. Now I want to do like a little bit of shadowing on the bottom, so it looks like it's coming out of my skin. And I'm actually gonna use my contour shade. I'm gonna use Femme from the Nikita Dragon face palette with a little detail brush. And now with the darkest shade, I'm gonna like outline the bottom as well, like closest to the heart. Okay, so my camera stopped filming and I did not realize that, so I am so sorry. But basically what I did was like a little bit of shadows and lines. It doesn't look that good, but that's what I came up with, and I really want to write mine on the heart, so I think I'm gonna do that, and I have to do it with red because, you know, like they are red, so that's the color we're going with. I'm gonna write ILY on this one. It's gonna be reversed, but I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna write mine on this one. Well, that's not that bad. You can barely see it, but it's okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use Fantasy from the face palette. You know, just... Okay, I'm gonna do my lips and I'm gonna be over with this look. And I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors The Most lip gloss. So we are done with this look. It did not come out as what I expected. I do not hate it, I do not love it. It's like a in between, but I'm still gonna upload this. You wanna know why? Because I want you guys to know and I wanna show that sometimes we fail. And that's what it is. Still, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you on another and better video. Bye, bitches.